There are three terms that are commonly used in the system: jail, the workhouse, and prison. Jail is actually what we're referring to is the Adult Detention Center, which is in downtown Minneapolis. That's a place where police can bring people when they're under arrest. So most of the population in the jail here downtown have not been convicted of their case. Once their case is resolved, they can still do additional jail time. What we call that here in Hennepin County is workhouse time, as long as that jail time is not over 1 year. If it's over 1 year, people are sent to the Department of Corrections, which is actually prison. And when people go to prison, they go there for a year or more. That is the difference between jail, which is downtown and temporary, the workhouse, which is also jail time, but it's referred to as local jail time and not the prison, and then prison, which is a year or more.